So somebody DM'd me on Instagram yesterday and they were like, oh, I want to make money during quarantine. I have all this free time. What should I do? Dropshipping or should I get into Forex trading? And this is a hard question because they're completely two different things. But as you can see, they're the two main rivals in e-commerce, and especially in the guru industry of people trying to teach you how to do both of these things. They are just right at it. They're right together. I mean, people sell courses, people sell Forex signals, people sell dropshipping stores made full, people sell dropshipping courses. I mean, they're just kind of parallel opposites once you think about it, but today I really want to dive into which one you should do and which one is better for you if you want to pick between the two, because there's a lot of other ways to make money online, not just the ones that everyone's doing that you see about on YouTube, because chances are if somebody's doing it and making videos about it, there's a lot more competition, and more competition isn't always a good thing. So I know most of the people watching my videos probably know this already, but I just want to quickly go over both of these things before I get into the benefits and downsides of both of them. So basically, let's just start off with dropshipping. That's what I do. That's why I started making e-commerce YouTube videos, because that's I used to watch videos like this and then I got into it and found success in it. So I just want to teach people what I do. But basically, dropshipping is finding a product, finding a supplier for that product, making a website, usually on Shopify, and then advertising it via Facebook ads or Instagram influencers, advertising it any way you can to get it to a buyer, and then once the buyer purchases the item, you buy it from the supplier, ship directly to the buyer, and you make a profit because you marked up the product. And that's basically it. In theory, it's such a simple way to make money. And when I first heard about this, I was like, that's amazing. That's crazy. This was probably 2016, 17. I first heard about it. I was like, oh my gosh, that's the best way to make money. It's the best thing I've ever heard. So I got into that super quick and I just grinded. I learned everything about it. I learned everything about advertising, the marketing side of it, making the website, and I just turned out to be pretty good at it, and it worked for me. But on the complete opposite other end is Forex trading. Forex trading is something I have not got into until this week. So I'm not in any way an expert on it, and I'm not going to be teaching you how to do it in this video. I am going to be making more videos about it for entertainment purposes and maybe to see if I can find success in that. So Forex is basically the foreign exchange market, and in theory, you're day trading currency pairs, as in Euro/USD, and you place a position on this pair, and if it goes up, it goes down, and you sell or buy, or you can short a stock. Just like the stock market, just like day trading stocks, or even swing trading stocks, or doing it long term. But Forex can be very fast paced, and you make all your earnings and stuff in one day or less, and this is one of my main points when telling people which one to decide. So yeah, basically just in short, a foreign exchange market where you're trading currency pairs. There's a bunch of different currency pairs, and you're basically just placing a position. You look at a graph, if it goes up, you sell, it goes down, you buy. That's just how stocks work. If you want to learn in depth, maybe I'll make a video about it in the future, but there's plenty on YouTube, so I don't really want to make this a what is video, because I'm trying to make this video about comparing the two for what goals you're trying to accomplish in the future. So a lot of people come to me with dropshipping. They say, how much do I need to start? How much do I need to start this? How much should I spend on this? And the truth is, for dropshipping, I would recommend at least $500 to $1,000 to start if you want to be successful. And even farther than that, I would recommend having a stream of income in the back coming in, because if you start with $500 and say you spend all $500 on ads and the ads start to become profitable, but maybe you get a hold on PayPal or it's stuck in the Shopify payments for a couple of days, then you can't do the orders because all your money is held up in this. But if you have a stream of income coming from anything else, I don't know, work at a restaurant or something, anything else, just $20, you can put that towards it, and you just need a little bit of income. And it's kind of dropshipping is, in 2020 especially, a real business. It's not any little internet scheme. It's not make money quick. It's not make money quick at all. It's put your time and effort into this and see the results. You are forming an online business. The hopes of dropshipping towards the end will be going private label with a business and turning it into a real enterprise. I mean, you can see companies like Gymshark started off dropshipping. Companies like BlendJet, the little portable blenders, started off dropshipping. Companies like High Smile, the teeth whitening, started off dropshipping, and now they're multi-million-dollar companies. Especially Gymshark is worth $300 million, and this is a company that started off dropshipping. As a way, that's how I see it. It's a way to test products, and if you see, oh, this is working, I could actually turn this into something real, and then get it with your logo on it, get it with your own packaging, and then it leads, one thing goes to another. You have a warehouse, and you have a $300 million company. No, it's not like that. But it could be like that, and that's how I see it. I don't see it as, oh, I'm just doing this week to make $1,000 to buy this new part for my car, which I think Forex is better for, and that's what I tell people every time when they DM me. Because basically, if you just look at the facts, if you're just trading stocks, you don't need any sort of money. You could put $5 in, and you could turn that into $20 and withdraw, and now you have $20. So you could buy a better meal than you do with the $5. It's a super simple thing. So kids ask me, like, somebody DM me, it's like, dude, I need $1,000 by this month to pay off my car. Should I start dropshipping? I was like, absolutely not. You will put your money into it, you might fail, you might come out with zero. Same with Forex, but if you put your money in, you could have $1,000 by the end of this month. But if you put it into dropshipping, it's very unlikely that you will have $1,000 in profit by the end of this month, your first month ever trying it. So that's why I tell people to go one way versus the other, because it's about timing. If you are looking for a business to go long term into, and then you could fully devote your time to, I would say dropshipping. But if you want to make money quick, in a sense, you still have to learn how markets work and how day trading works, because you can't just put your money in, place it on one pair, you'll come back and it'll all be gone. Like, that will happen. So you really need to put effort into it. I don't like, for either one of these things, I don't like when people go in blind. Even people that I've helped with, they just try to dive into it, and like, they get into dropshipping like, okay dude, I have $250, I'm spending $10 a day on 2 ads, and I'm like, that's not enough. You need more. You can't just start with that. But if you put those $200 in, maybe 50 of them into Forex, and then doubled it, maybe you got $100, then you have $300, and maybe you put that whole $300 in because you're confident, turn it into 600, and now you start dropshipping. So, I mean, they could work both ways. You could turn one into another, but Forex is really, there's very few people who make that their sole career. And I mean, but just look at all the gurus on YouTube. I mean, there's day traders, normal stocks, day traders on Forex who are buying the Lambos for real. There's a lot of people who aren't doing it for real, but there's a lot of people who have that for real, and it does work. So I just wanted to come on here and make that quick little video because I get this question a lot, and I know if people are asking me a lot, it's a very asked question in general. So I just wanted to come on here, make that quick video. I know the videos have been a lot of just me at this desk. I really want to change that. I really want to get out in the field and go interview some people about their businesses and go make these other type of videos. So please, if you're a new subscriber, don't think I just sit here at my desk all day. That's not who I am. I don't work a 9 to 5. I don't spend my time sitting down. I spend my time getting after it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snap to make sure you know when the new videos are coming.
Yeah, she told me hit the weed, but the music got me higher. Bitch, just leave me be, it's more than just a night. Half the pill, I'm half asleep, talk about flying to the island. Couple shows a week, got me tripping off the timing. Coca with the gold, but I'm flexing all these diamonds. Traded in my ride for a Porsche, that bitch got signed in. Can't believe that shit happened now, oh. See you rapping now, but my production on pause. No, I've been clapping now.